This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
What up, though? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get rid of your felony convictions, how to expunge your felony convictions in the state of Michigan. This is a video. It's going to be a step-by-step video on sharing with you how you can get your felony convictions expunged. And we're going to get into the video as we speak. Let's get into it. Welcome back to our channel. And this video is for somebody, this is dear to me because I have local people or people out here that may have a similar background to what I had in the past, which is a felony conviction. And if that's you, this video might pertain to you. And if you are in the state of Michigan, which is a 313-734-248-586-231, all them area codes that are in the state of Michigan, this video is for you. I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can get your how you can get your felony record expunged in the state of Michigan. So the first thing that you want to do to expunge your felony record is determine whether you are the felony that you are trying to expunge is eligible to be set aside in the state of Michigan. So what that means is, say for instance, you are convicted of murder, attempted murder, those heinous crimes. If you have those type of heinous crimes and you want to get those set aside or expunged in the state of Michigan, they cannot be expunged. So just giving you a heads up. So whatever type of felony that you're trying to get expunged, make sure that it is eligible to be expunged in the state of Michigan. So check your jacket, as we call it. You know what I'm saying? Pull up your criminal history and figure out what convictions that you are determining that you want to get expunged off your record. And then you'll go to the higher ups, which is the courts, and see if it's eligible to be expunged. So that's step number one. You want to make sure that you want to determine the eligibility for the felony. Next thing you want to where the convictions occurred. So if you are we say the 34th district, 36th district, down to, you know what I'm saying, whatever court district you're in, you want to go to that particular court and you want to pull those particular records, and then you want to file an application since you had a simple assault. Whatever the case is, you want to make sure you pull that particular, and we have to do this application for each conviction. We can't do it as a totality, meaning all your convictions together. Pull that particular application. You want to submit an application for each conviction that you're trying to expunge in the local court that the conviction was held in. So, as I gave you an example, if it's 36th District Court, record and get a copy of that, and you want to submit an application for that particular case. Next, if you are asking three, because the offense was committed was a direct result of you being a victim of human trafficking. So I just want to throw this out there. If you are, you know what I'm saying, under those particular circumstances, you have to file a separate type of application, and that will be up under, you must file form MC 227B if you are asking to have a misdemeanor marijuana related conviction set aside under MCL 780.621E. You must file form MC 227A. So all my people out here that, you know what I'm saying, may have a felony because you had, you know what I'm saying, some little weed up in your car, or whatever the case may be, and you got pulled over and you got convicted of that particular crime, well, you have to file that form. That form is MC 227A. I'm gonna see if I can put it on the screen somewhere so you know exactly what it is, so you'll be able to file that particular form. Because I know a lot of my comrades out here that have, you know what I'm saying, and may have a bag or two up in the car and got convicted of that felony. Well, there's a certain felony that certain form that you have to fill out for that. Next, of each conviction from the clerk of the court in which you are convicted and attach it to your application. as I stated before. There may be a fee to obtain these certified copies. It's $25. It might have went up now. You know what I'm saying? We're in 2023 now, so it might have went up, but it was $25 when I was doing it. So get a certified copy of each conviction that you want to get expunged. Next, of the court clerk or notary public. So if you're filling out this particular application, make sure that you are filling it out in front of the clerk, which is a, what do they call them? I forgot what they call these people. But these people are, you know what I'm saying, are considered, you know what I'm saying, honorable. So you want to either, you know, fill out that particular application in front of the county clerk, or you can get you a notary and have it certified. Next, you want to make to the court clerk. So I would say each case, you're going to make 5 copies. 5 copies in the state of Michigan. So make 5 copies in the state of Michigan, because later on down the line you'll see why. Because you'll be submitting these to, I'm saying, different jurisdictions. After that, depending on the local, the hearing date is set at the time of filing. The clerk of the court will complete the notice of hearing. So usually when you file the application, give you a little fee, they'll give you a date sometimes. If they don't, you just have to wait for the date in the mail. But usually you might get a date right there, and then you proceed from there. So after that, you applicant card, there may be a fee for fingerprinting. Fill out the card completely. So as I was stating in my previous video, you gotta make sure that you get your fingerprint card. It's gonna have to do with what we call as a nationwide check to make sure that you don't have anything pending in any other states. Okay. And after that, after we filling out that, you want to amount of $50, and you're gonna mail that to the state of Michigan along with your application. So make out a money order and check to the state of Michigan for the application. The application fee is $50. The fee is sent with the application packet to the Michigan State Police for processing. That's step number 9. Next, you want to mail a copy of the application packet and the fingerprint card to the Michigan State Police by first class mail to Michigan State Police Criminal Justice Information Center, Criminal History, P.O. Box 30266, Lansing, Michigan 48909. Again, you're going to mail this particular application and fingerprints and application fee to Michigan State Police Criminal Justice Information Center, Criminal History, P.O. Box 30266, Lansing, Michigan 48909. And then we're going to mail a copy of the application by first class mail also to the Office of the Attorney General, Criminal Trials and Appeals Division, P.O. Box 30212, Lansing, Michigan 48909. Next, we're going to mail a copy of the application prosecuting official where the conviction occurred, which is your county, city, or township, by first class mail. So if you're in the city of Detroit, or if you're in the city of Taylor, you want to mail that particular copy to that particular prosecuting attorney in that particular city or county. Wayne County, Washtenaw County, Lenawee, Macomb, whatever county you're in, you want to send that to that particular jurisdiction, okay? After that, you want to mail a copy and pack on both remaining copies of the application. Fill in the proof of service on page 3. After you fill out and sign the proof of service, mail and packet with the completed proof of service to the court. Keep the other copy of the application packet for your records. So we're mailing all 4 copies and we keep one copy for ourselves. That's the reason why I was telling you to make 5 copies. The reason why I'm sharing this video is, back in 1993, I was convicted of great bodily harm less than murder. You know what I'm talking about? So that was somebody that put their hands on my mother, so I just basically had to deal with him, you know, accordingly. And the result of that was great bodily harm less than murder, if you don't know my story. So this happened in 1993. As you know, we are in 2023 right now, and that was 30 years ago. So at this point in life, it was about time that was stopped, you know, prohibiting me from doing what I need to do for my family. Such as, you know, back in the days, I was trying to get jobs at, you know, local manufacturing plants. They didn't want to hire a violent felon. So this was what was, you know, pulling me back. And I decided to fight in combat to get my rights back. You know, I want all my rights. You know what I'm talking about? Second Amendment and everything. So if that's you, you know what I'm talking about, and you believe that you deserve to be getting that second chance, and you want to, you know, expunge or set aside your felony convictions, follow those steps that I put into this video. Share this video with as many people as you can that you know have the similar situation in the state of Michigan. Now, if you want me to, you know what I'm saying, make a series of this, and I can go, you know what I'm saying, break down the different states such as Illinois and Ohio, Virginia, Tennessee. But right now, we're talking about everybody up in the 313 and 734. This video is for you. I want to make sure that all my convicted felons that have been on the upright as of lately, you know what I'm talking about, that's willing to, you know, put their pride aside and, you know what I'm saying, go in front of this judge and let them know, you know what I'm saying, you're a better man now. And this video is for you. I salute to y'all, all y'all that's out here fighting that fight, you know, talking about, because we all make mistakes and we all deserve a second chance. So this is a step-by-step guide to sharing with you how to set aside your felony convictions in your state, which is the state of Michigan. Love and light. Please share this video with anybody you believe that needs this information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm talking about? Hit that bell, because the information that we drop on here, as you see, is the name of this channel is The Homeschool Dad. The reason for it being, I'm trying to bring some information to you that can help you or somebody that you know that you can help. Love and light. Until the next one.